Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification button that as soon as we upload another video, you will be the first to know.
Now we have our carrots. See, we have 4 large carrots here, and we have our pumpkin. We have our water boiling. So what I'm going to do, I am going to just add a pinch of salt in the water to bring up the flavor. So we're going to go ahead and cut our carrots. The pumpkin is much easier to cook, and so we are going to cook them separate. These are very easy to cook. So we're not going to cut them as small as the carrot. Now we're going to test our carrots to see if they're ready. Yes, they're cooked. Now we're going to check our pumpkin. And these are all ready. So what we're going to do, we're going to turn the stove off and let these cool a little bit. After which, we are going to blend our carrots and pumpkin. So now that our carrot and our pumpkin is cooked, we're going to blend them together. Now we're going to add our nutmeg, our mixed spice, and our cinnamon. See, we're going to add a little vanilla, some molasses, here we have some Irish mash. We're going to add all of this in there. And here we have some nutriment, which we're going to add a half in there. And then we also have our sweet milk. Not too much. We're going to check to see consistency of our punch. So guys, smooth, beautiful. This is how you make pumpkin, carrot,